Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about never undervalue the influence of creative ways to make money. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and get ready to live the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about never undervalue the influence of creative ways to make money, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. Link to my website in the description box below this video. Never undervalue the influence of creative ways to make money. Despite what most people think, the most effective ways to make money do not involve old-fashioned business ventures, selling products, or services to customers. In fact, the most effective ways to make money don't involve even simple advertising. If you want to learn creative ways to make money, then you should start associating with people who are in the high-profile people in your field. By doing so, you can not only get access to valuable and influential information but also be in a position to help them grow. I would agree that associating with the rich and famous would be a bit like drinking in the desert, but the truth is that it is actually a lot more rewarding than you might think. What I mean by this is that there are many ways to be creative, but there are few people who have come up with truly innovative and original ways to make money. You should therefore not overlook the talented people who would be interested in working with you, especially if they have great ideas for establishing a successful business. The people in high places simply know the value of time and creativity and will probably be able to help you find ways to make money in your spare time. People with different kinds of interests, including creative people, are likely to have unique ideas on how to make money. They will be able to teach you the secrets of making money from their own experiences. When thinking about being creative in marketing yourself, you should think about the time that you are devoting yourself to other tasks. While you are thinking about creating your business, you should remember that these ideas will have to wait until after you have found a reputable source of income. Another point to consider is that while you may not be marketing yourself to the public, people have heard of you already. That means that you have a built-in network of people who are interested in your niche and would be willing to help you make money. The idea behind this is that you may have to pay for this kind of service, but it will give you a voice with high-profile people. The money you have to spend will be well worth it, as you will be able to learn from the best and be inspired by others. With these ideas in mind, it should become clear to you that there are many creative ways to make money, but the most effective way will probably be the ones that rely on your talents. There are many people who have gone through this already, and they have gained invaluable knowledge. As you begin to research opportunities, it is worth remembering that you have the potential to use the same ideas that people have used to make money time again. As long as you keep your mind open to innovative ideas, there is no reason why you should ever underestimate the influence of creative ways to make money. The success you get from learning how to make money creatively will be a lot more than a whole lot of books you have printed. I have seen many people go through this process before, and those who have succeeded have benefited greatly from it. Be ready to explore all the possibilities and you will discover that you can become a person who has created something that was never seen before. It is an experience that you won't soon forget. Learn how to make quick money in one day. Learning how to make quick money in one day is a powerful way to help yourself in times of need. And the best part about this is that if you have the time and the money, it won't be hard to find this information, learn it, and implement it in your life. And with this particular type of work, you can make great money from the comfort of your own home or work environment. People who are making quick money from their homes are making a lifestyle change. You will find yourself living more simply and living more organized. By making quick money from your home, you will find a new respect for those around you, and you will see that you don't need an investment banker to make this happen. But before we jump into learning how to make quick money in one day, let's first talk about how we become slaves to our computers. The fact is that we sit in front of the computer all day long without getting out and getting some exercise. In reality, that is not a very good time for getting active. The truth is that without getting some sort of physical activity, you will become lethargic and you will never get anything done. The fact is that if you want to learn how to make quick money in one day, then you have to put your computer out of commission and get up and walk around. This means that you can take the classes that you need to in order to train your body to get up and move around and rest at the same time. This will allow you to make sure that you are getting the sleep that you need in order to stay in shape. How to make quick money in one day means that you have to stop being so critical of yourself. You have to learn to accept the things that you do and the things that others do in life as a positive event in your life. And when you learn how to do this, you will be able to get what you want and you will start seeing results right away. So many people do not take advantage of the power of themselves when it comes to learning how to make quick money in one day. You have to learn to use yourself and how you think about your advantage. If you have ever seen a video or seen a famous person do something, you know that they were able to do it because they took what they were given and used it to the fullest. So if you learn how to make quick money in one day, you will be able to do this with your computer. When you learn how to use yourself, you will see how this can be the ticket to the life that you want. Learning how to make quick money in one day also means that you have to get out of your comfort zone and into the big city. And if you look at the world today, you will find that the cities are filled with people who are trying to find a job, who want to be working, and who are willing to do whatever it takes to achieve that goal. In order to make sure that you are making the most money that you can, you have to be able to go to different places. Once you are familiar with how to make quick money in one day, you have to figure out what it is that you will be putting in your money. Many people know that they want to do real estate, but they do not know how to go about doing this. The best thing that you can do when learning how to make quick money in one day is to figure out what types of real estate are a good investment and which ones are not. Remember that in order to make quick money in one day, you have to start with what you know. If you have the knowledge, then you will have the power to bring the knowledge to life, and make you a great deal of money in a short period of time. As you can see, learning how to make quick money in one day does not have to be an impossible task. It only takes a little bit of action and a lot of commitment in order to create wealth, to make great wealth. Real ways to make money from home. There are a lot of options out there for those who want to start earning money online, but if you don't know what real ways to make money from home are, you can easily be swept away by a website that offers easy money without giving you the legwork. That is why it is so important to know exactly what to look for. The best way to make money from home is to actually start a business of your own and not just look for ways to make money. You can do that by taking over a part of the real estate business or a multi-level marketing (MLM) business that is thriving today if you have the right information. Here are some real ways to make money from home that are free. You might find them surprising, and some of them may even be offers that you would have never thought about before. If you have ever wondered how to become a masseuse, you can use the internet to learn about massage therapy and start your own business as a masseuse, even if you are already in your current job. Find out how to market yourself online and you will be able to earn a great income. Today, there are companies all over the world that are looking for people to work from home in their business. These businesses need physical employees and not just people who work from home. You might also be thinking of starting a home-based business that is run by a person in the home and not just a business That would be great if you want to get rich quick. Starting a new home-based business is definitely one of the best real ways to make money from home. You will work for someone else, but they are paying you. Another type of business that has made a huge comeback these days is selling merchandise online. You can sell virtually anything that you want to, and the only thing that is stopping you is your internet connection. One of the top real ways to make money from home in a year is to sell things on eBay. That is because eBay is one of the best places to make money if you have something that people are interested in. Most people who sell on eBay make a good income, but only because they are in control of their business. They are the ones who set the selling price and they make most of the profits. It doesn't matter what kind of business you are interested in, the first two real ways to make money from home that you should consider will work for you regardless of the products you are selling. If you sell something online, you should be using them every day. In fact, if you are not making any money with the product that you are selling, you should switch to something else. With those tips, you can learn the secrets of real ways to make money from home and have fun doing it too. Thanks for watching my video about never undervalue the influence of creative ways to make money. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.